Hello, I'm Tom,
I'm Ellie.
and we met in Michigan, 9 years ago. I'm Australian, and I did a study abroad over there, and that's where we met, in a bar, of all places.
For the past 4 years, we've been living in Australia. We actually came to the US and decided to move into an RV and travel full-time with our dog. So our first kind of mission was to try to find dog-friendly areas for her. But then we've owned already 2 RVs since being here, and we kind of found some RV issues, and we thought, well, maybe we can help other people check out this RV lifestyle. We currently live full-time in an RV, and so we decided to make a small business.
So yeah, the NRVTA I kept seeing it online, and it was looking like a great school. We actually came here in February, and I took the basics class, and then we went off and did our own little kind of adventure for a while, and then we were just kind of figuring it out, and then we came back here, and then I took the advanced tech classes, and then we also came back again just recently and did the NRVIA certified inspector class, and every single class has been so awesome, and we're so glad that we did that. So I'm a certified inspector and a certified technician. The park's awesome. It's great to just have your RV right there next to the school. We love the park is really a beautiful park. There's that added benefit as well, and I think one of the big benefits that maybe might go a little kind of unthought about is camping with all the other technicians. So there's a real kind of I don't know what the word is, but collegiality, something like that. One of those fancy words about being here with other technicians that are all starting their own businesses or starting their RV adventure, and that's just awesome to form kind of friendships and relationships that we'll have forever for sure. So
every time we're here, we make friends, and
we're
able to lean on them through it all.
We've been here 3 times, and every single time we've met people that we'll stay in contact with for life. So that's pretty awesome. We're most excited about Meet You There RV Repair and Inspection, which is our business that we just launched. We're super excited to build that up. We always encounter people in campgrounds that need our help, and we want to be there. We want to be able to meet people at their campsite. We've already had some customers so far that have just come across to our campsite and said, hey, I see you fix RVs, can you come and help? And it's just a great way to be able to offer those services.
I'm most excited about helping to empower RVers on the road. Sometimes, with RV travel getting so popular, it's sometimes you don't know what you're getting into, so it's nice to be able to be there for people at campgrounds when they need us, when they need help, or if they want to buy one and they want to be comfortable with that purchase. So yeah, I think that I love the RV lifestyle, and I think that we should definitely try to encourage people living it, because it's really fun and you can see amazing parts of this country because of it.
But it is challenging, and it is very frustrating at times. So I really enjoyed the morning sessions with Steve about the business school. That was this is our first business. We have our passion project, which is the Dog in Us YouTube channel, but our first business, so there's just so much to think about as far as forming LLCs and how to structure the business, and just kind of a mindset,
Insurance.
I suppose, too. There's a mindset that comes from being your own boss and striving to make everything better every day. I get a little carried away with it, but the business classes were awesome to sit through too. If someone was thinking about coming to this school, I would tell them most definitely sign up right away. You're going to just meet the most amazing people, the instructors, the staff here. The staff in the RV park themselves are just the greatest people, and you will learn a lot. There's just a level of care here which can kind of be felt in the room. I don't really know how to explain it, but sincere people and knowledgeable people, and it's just a fantastic school, and I'm so glad that I came.
And it's really great to be a part of an awesome network.